Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6 and we want to presentation about automatic plant sprinkle using a soil moisture sensor. Before we started, we want to introduce our name. My name is Andianisa Maliden Putri and my partner is Reza Asep Adi Purnomo. System analysis. Plants are one of living things that need water for daily development. Fertile soil is one requirement for plants to grow well. The level of fertility can be obtained by intensity of their earth contents. However, currently humans still have difficulties in watering plants because they have to do it manually and don't see how much water the plants need. Therefore, automatic plant sprinkles were made to facilitate human work in watering plants. This tool is made with function to water to the plants automatically using the soil moisture sensor as soil moisture detector. Node MCU ESP8266 as the brain of this program, and Blink application to control the running of the Node MCU ESP8266. Research objective. Watering plants is common thing for plant lovers. Sometimes the tightness of the time makes some people forget about how the plants are so that the soil moisture is not controlled. The purpose of making this tool is an application in the EOT file to current technological developments where the author wants to make innovation from this automatic plant sprinkle. Next is component, and one is breadboard. A breadboard is board that serves to design a simple electronic circuit, and two is Node MCU ESP8266 is open source IoT and platform development kit that use the Lua programming language, and the three is relay. Relay is a switch which is operated electrically and is an electromechanical component. And 4 is soil moisture sensor to detect the intensity of water in the soil moisture. And the 5 is LED. LED is electromagnetic component that can emit monochromatic light through a forward voltage. And 6 is resistor. Resistor is passive electronic component that has a resistance value or a certain resistance. And 7 is jumper cables. Cable that is used as a liaison between the component used in making a prototype of the device. And 8 is water pump. That function is to absorb as well as push the water contained the cooling system so that can circulate on the engine. And the last is water hose. Water hose is a function is to distribute process water from the water pump. And next is flowchart. In this flowchart is explained that the soil moisture sensor as an input is connected to the Node MCU ESP8266, and the Node MCU ESP8266 process all data and sensor, then connect as output to various components such as LED red, yellow red, green red, and the Blink application. And next is flowchart of the code. In this flowchart is explained that the code flow of this program.
My name is Reza Asep Adi Purnomo, and next I will explain about the schematic part. In this section, you can see that the breadboard becomes the core foundation in network connection. You can see that the ground and power pins are connected to the breadboard and become all power and ground points. Relay connected to pin D5, which is then connected to the pump use. Then for the LED connected to the D6, D7, and the H. Then for the data pin of the sensor connected to pin A0. And next is the coding. The defined part is the declaration to connect with the destination part, such as serial print. Blink with the Blink application will include connects with the library. Then char out Wi-Fi pass connects with Wi-Fi and the Blink application. Then connected to the virtual pin LCD Blink, namely V1, the create digital pin which will be the if logic gate as shown. If it is below 500, it will display the data, and the green LED lights up. And then in the next logic, between 500 and 800, humidity values are normal but we still need water. But this logic can be changed depending on what plants are used in the watering. Then if the humidity is above 800, then the soil is dry. And then Blink virtual write V2 and Blink virtual write V0 will connect to the graphic from Blink. On void setup, serial begin to open serial monitor on Arduino, and Blink began to connect Blink, and timer set interval is a library timer to be connect to Blink. And while LCD clear is to clean LCD when the word change on LCD, and then void loop to run, and then analysis and results. And this section will explain the manufacturing process and automatic plant sprinklers using a soil moisture sensor consisting of a breadboard that is assembled with LED lights, a resistor, and a jumper cable that connect the Not MCU ESP8266 and a soil moisture sensor, and also a relay connected to a water pump with a water hose. After the circuit is designed, the next step is to connect the Not MCU ESP8266 with existing computer device with the Arduino IDE program. After connect and the program running successfully, the component will turn on. The result of testing this tool is that when the sensor is inserted into the ground, the LED light will turn green, meaning that the soil is moist and the water pump does not turn on. And from Blink application explains that the soil moisture is at temperature 307. And if the sensor is only slightly inserted into the ground, the LED light will turn yellow. Is that meaning the ground condition are moderate and the water pump is on, but it only releases water little by little? From blink application, explain that the soil moisture is at temperature 629. And next, if the sensor is removed from the ground and the LED light is red, it means that it is dry and require water. The water pump will channel the water into the ground. And the blink application explain that the soil moisture is at temperature of 1024. And thank you for your attention. Sorry if there is a wrong word. Thank you.